Good day to you guys. I want to welcome you to this channel. If you are watching this channel for the first time, consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell icon so that you don't miss my video anytime I drop them. Today I'll be taking you through how you can get VidIQ Premium for free. Yes, a proof of free. We all know what VidIQ means. Yes, VidIQ is just is an application or program or software. Let's put it that way. Software, yes, used by YouTubers. It's mainly for YouTubers. Yes, it enables us to get subscribers. It enables us to get watch hours, give us tip, AI, generate ideas of videos to produce, how to increase our subscribers. But it's a premium plan. It's a premium plan, and with this VidIQ, it's supported by YouTube themselves. Yes, they even have an extension on. They have Google Chrome extension. Even we can use it to analyze our competitor, analyze our videos. It's very important. But today I'll just be walking us through how to get a promo code and how we can nearly get premium for free. Yes. Now, what do you have to do? You just have to sign up. Go to vidiq.com, or if you don't know vidiq.com, you can just go through Google, type it on Google, VidIQ, and it's going to search it out for you. So you click on the first link, VidIQ. That's the first link. You can see it now. It's very easy. It's very easy. Once you sign up with it now, and once you come to this with their website, you'll be asked to sign up with your Google. Google owns YouTube. You understand? So the two are synchronized together. So once you sign up with your Google account here, you'll be told to link your YouTube channel with it. One click and you are done with it. But for me, I've already signed up with them. I have an account with them. I can't be opening two accounts, so I'll be using my account. So I've already signed up, and as you can see, this is my YouTube channel analysis for the last 7 days. It can show everything last 30 days, and you see ideas. Today's ideas, what you can create. I'm on the pro version. I will see a lot here. The keyword to use, the title, the video that I will create that will go viral, an AI generator. Any videos I want to produce, I can just write it here. It's going to generate ideas for me. And keywords, I can write it here, keywords, you understand? Then competitor, I can analyze my competitors, you understand? Can you see it? Then my subscribers, I can check. A lot we can do here, and even the SEO. The reason why all these have been blank out is because I'm on a free version. So now I've upgraded. Now I will see how it works. But for me, I've used my free version. I've used it finished. So now let's say after you sign up and you want to upgrade, because I won't lie to you, the version, what I'm about to show is just for 1 month. So after 1 month, you'll be charged subsequently for the plan. So now let's upgrade. As you can see, the version I have, basic. This is my present version. So now we have 3 versions available. Now we have the pro versions and the boost version. You see, this pro version is $10 per month, and the boost version, the reason is that you can use it up to 5 channels. Once you sign up with VidIQ, you'll be asked to link your YouTube channel with it, and it's very simple. Connect your YouTube channel, 1 click, you are done with it. So now let's say I want to use this pro version. I'll click on upgrade. So once I click on upgrade, it's going to bring out this place. If I have a card I want to use, I want to pay $10, I will input it, and if I want to use PayPal, I can input it. But for me now, I'm using my promo code. So now follow my step. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share this video to your friends. See this promo code now, I'm going to apply to it. Just follow me here. I'm going to use the promo code. Let's say I want to use TINK. The promo code is TINK. You see the price is $10 here. Once I apply the promo code, you see I was told to pay $1. So the promo code of TINK, I've taken off $9. Okay, so if I'm to link up my card now and click on subscribe and pay here, I will be charged $1 for this month. So another promo code, you click on that promo code. Other promo code, I think YouTubers. So we apply it. You can see it's the same thing. So we supply our card details, month, year, blah blah blah. You click on subscribe. Then once you subscribe, you'll be charged $1. Always remember, subsequent month you'll be charged $10. But you can cancel it from your subscription plan on the account settings. So that is for the $10 version. So now let's say I want to upgrade with this boost. It's the same thing. I'll add my promo code. If I add promo code of think, I'm gonna click on apply. So I was given $44 off, which I'm gonna pay almost $5. But now use this one. If you are using this plan, just click on you use boost for one, then apply. You can see what I'm paying is not up to $1. So, and you supply your details, you subscribe and pay. So with that, you will charge less than $1, and subsequent month, this is what you are going to charge. Like I said, you can always cancel your plan. You see the plan here, you click on it, you cancel on plan. So that is how to get the promo version for almost free. Let's put it that way, almost free. And it's very good. It's going to assist a lot. This is another YouTube channel I'm using it for. You understand? So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel. Also share to your friends so that they don't miss out. Thank you so much.